Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your transaction PIN on your Binance account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance app on your device, and once you log in using your credentials, you will end up within the home page. From here, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on the right arrow alongside your user ID. Now tap on Security, and now underneath the password option, tap on the down arrow, and then you will see the Pay PIN option. Just tap on this menu, and now you will find the Change PIN option. Just enter the PIN that you currently use, and then press Confirm. After your PIN is checked, you will now be able to enter your desired new PIN. Just enter whichever PIN you wish to set as your new PIN, and then press the Confirm button, and now your payment PIN has successfully been changed. You can come back to this page and disable your PIN, and even reset it if you have forgotten by choosing the appropriate options at any point of time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your payment or transaction PIN on the Binance application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.